Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we've got a lot of comments about the removal of eventually the control panel in Windows 11. And somebody was asking me, if I'm okay with that, or what do I think about it. And honestly, personally, yes, the control panel should go away. But I understand also at the same time a lot of you that say, no, don't change it. As long as there's not all the options that are useful and needed in the settings app, no, it shouldn't go away. That definitely. And I understand some of the comments are very specific on an app or in a setting or a place where they can tweak Windows that doesn't exist in the settings app. The settings app is quite rigid and doesn't have necessarily all the options. So I understand that some of you might not like that. I would probably, if I was Microsoft, do something that would be hide the control panel, keep only the settings app. For the majority of users, the settings app is fine. It has the options that most people need. And contrary to what a lot of people are saying, I find that the control panel is way more messed up than the settings app. Settings app is quite logical and well done in Windows 11, much better than what it is on Windows 10, actually. And personally, I like it the way it is. Now, that said, and finding a setting is very easy in the search. The control panel should be hidden, and those that want to have an access to it, then there would be a way to turn it on. It could be as simple as, why not in the settings app, in the system tab somewhere, put control panel on off switch. Off by default, but that's an easy way to put it back on if you prefer going to tweak into the control panel. Because as it stands now, when I look at the control panel and all the options it has, it's kind of difficult to even realize that they could totally remove it, say, in 6 months to a year. There's still too much in here that could be very useful to power users that tweak their systems a lot more than just the settings app. The settings app is perfect for a standard user that doesn't really go and tweak much of its system. The control panel, keep it for the power user, keep the different settings that are useful for them, and add just an on-off switch on the settings. I think that would be great. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.